Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off touch interactions sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, below, okay, you can see the system sound section. Here, you can see the touch interactions. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the touch interactions sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. To turn off, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off touch interaction sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.